Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be teaching you how I make my mini sunflower. This is my mini sunflower. Let's get started. The tools I will be using is metal and wooden dowels, acrylic stickers 5, 2 centers, my templates 2 small, 2 medium. Let's get started. Okay, this is how I start, by pinching, putting my dowel on the top and pinching, bringing it up. Just like a little pinch, bringing it up. Each petal, like so. And I have 2 of the petals I have already pre-shaped. So this will be a short video. Okay, so then what I do is pinch the end. Like so. Okay. Very softly, carefully, just to give it shape. You can leave them plain, you don't have to do anything to them, but I always like to make it more like a 3D flower, like it's popping up, out, you know. But you can just leave them as they are and they look beautiful also. It's your personal preference. Okay? So I have 2 that are ready. Now I do the second size, same way. Try to put it in the center, put the metal down in the center, and then bring it up. There you go. Just as so. And if you're interested in purchasing this template, you can email me at aurorasfinedesigns@gmail.com. Leave me a message on Messenger, on Facebook, or on Instagram. Please leave a comment. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe. Okay, so now that we have them nice and shaped, again I go just on the corner, just on the tip. Make it a little bit more pointy. There we go. And we put the template on top of the other template and then just try to center it as best as we can. Turn it, put a little bit of glue, hold it in place, turn it, now we go with the smaller template and we put it right on top like so. Are we happy with it? Do we want it like that? Okay, I like that. So then, same thing. This is such a fun flower to make, and so easy, so fast, and you can put it on an envelope. You can just put it anywhere on top of a gift. Okay, now we do the last one, number 4. Okay. Just kind of break it down a little bit. Do we like that? That looks really nice. You see, all the way around. Move it around and see that it looks good before you put the glue on there. And then just softly. If you want to make it a little bit more 3D, then you can just move it a little bit, like so. Look. Look how beautiful. See? And that's what we want. We want it to be more of a 3D. Look how beautiful. Okay, now we go with our centers. And put the one on top of the other, like so. See? Also the same way, lift it once it's in place and just put a little dab. You don't need to put more. Okay, now we're going to put in our acrylic stickers, which you can get at any craft store. And I just put one in the center. And you can put any color you like. I chose gold. I think gold looks very nice. But there's so many ways that you can change this. Okay. And if they're not sticking on there the way you want them to, well, you can add a little bit of glue on there. And you could put 6, you can put 8, you can put, you know, as many stickers as you like. Okay. So I put 5 on this one. The other one I think it has 6. So now we're ready to, if we want to shape the center, we can just with our metal dowel lift it up a little bit to make it 3-dimensional. Very softly. And that's up to you. You can leave it also flat if you like. You don't have to. You don't have to do it. You don't have to make it 3-dimensional. It's up to you. But I always like to do it. Okay. Oops. There we go. Okay, now let's stick it right in the center, like so. Look for the center. How does that look? A little bit of glue. Just in case you need to remove it because it's not right in the center, you don't put so much glue. And then you can recenter it and hold on to it. And I'm just lifting it up a little bit with my fingers. Or you can do it with your wooden dowel or metal dowel, whatever you have. And you see how beautiful it looks? This is my mini sunflower. So